How to use Mint Mobile International Roaming. So let's get started. The first process is purchasing a pass. You have to log in and then navigate to add-ons. Here select Mint International Pass and then select and purchase the pass that fits your need and proceed for the payment method. You can also use alternative option by sending a text following the commands mentioned in the screen. Now, what you have to do is you have to activate your pass. When your pass has arrived, you will receive a text. If you do not receive a text, just go for the manual activation method, and for that you can activate the pass through your Mint mobile account on the website or application. You can also check your status by sending go ROM command to 6700. Then set up your phone, enable data roaming and enable Wi-Fi calling. Fourth option is for international calls that not cover the pass. You can add money to your Mint mobile wallet by logging into your account. Be sure to check the international calling rates for your destination country before making any call. And that's all. That's how you will be able to proceed with international roaming on Mint mobile. Thanks for watching.